Hi everyone, welcome back to another YouTube tutorial of Tech Assess. Today's video is based on how to block an email on Gmail account. Now in case if you're receiving an email from an unknown sender or a spam email and it's only distracting you from your work, so in order to block a sender or block an email, so first you need to go to your Gmail account. So now on the web browser there is mail.google.com and I will leave the link on the description box. So next you land inside a Gmail account or an inbox page. Now here you can see there are a list of emails. So in order to block an email, first you need to open the email. So for example, the last one, that is Microsoft account. So tap on your particular email that you don't want to receive any more updates from further onwards. So once the email is opened, now move towards your right hand side corner, tap on the three dot icon. So as soon as you tap on the three dot icon, so under it there are different options such as reply, forward, filter message like this, print, delete this message, so block Microsoft account team. So in order to block an user or an email address, now you need to tap on block particular email address. For example, mine is block Microsoft account team. So now tap on it. So right in the center there is an update. Block this email address. Further message from Microsoft account team. The Microsoft account team is just an example. So which means that you will be receiving email but it will be directly sent it into a spam folder. So now once again tap on block, which is right in the corner on the right hand side. Now here you can see right in the center there is an update, which means that the sender's email address has been blocked and now you will no longer receive any update or email from that particular email address. And this is how you can block an email on Gmail account. And that's all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, subscribe and also hit the bell icon so that you never miss an update. Thank you for watching.